Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your photos on Google Photos from one account to another. So let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using this community support article with the example or the answer from this here person. And I'll be going over the steps to explain to you how you can use Google Takeout to achieve this. Now, of course, you can do this manually and just upload the photos to your other account manually and delete them from the first one, but that is too much of a hassle. To use Google Takeout, it is a very easier way of doing things, and to use it, you just need to open it up in your web browser and sign in to the account that currently has the photos you want to transfer. Then you need to select the data you want to transfer. In this section, you want to select Google Photos, and then choose the settings. You can choose to transfer all photos or specific albums. Then you need to select the destination account for your photos, and you can choose to add them to an existing Google Photos account or create a new one, depending on what you want. Then you click on send export link, and then Google will create a zip file of your photos and send a link to the email address associated with your account. You just need to sign into the destination account and click the link to download the zip file of your photos, and then you just extract the zip files from the zip folder to view your transferred photos. Now, again, this is a manual method, sort of, but you do have a compiled zip file of all the photos you want to transfer, so you don't have to list through your account and find the photos you actually want to transfer. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.